Let's draw a cute snail coloring page for my next coloring book. So first I'm going to pick a blue color. So I'm going to my color palette and I'm picking a blue. You can pick any color you want. I like to do this for my first draft. And I'm just going to lay out, oh, I have my opacity down. I must have clicked that by accident. I'm going to lay out my basic design. So that's going to be the shell. It's going to come around like this. And then my snail is going to come like this. He's going to be kind of like this. He's going to have his little I don't know, body, hand, arm thingers. And then he has a couple of little gooby tentacle things that come out of his face. And he's got his little eyes. Probably come in like this. There. I'm selecting him and I'm going to make him a little bit smaller so that he fits inside the margin details here. Just so that I don't have to do it later. I kind of want his shell to have a little bit of a, almost like it's coming from here. This maybe? Yeah, that'll be cute. Okay. So I'm going to my next layer. I pick my black and I'll start my drawing. So this is helpful because now I have lines that I can use if I want to create little indents in his shell. So if I want to go like this, because sometimes the shell will create a natural indent as it grows, right? Like into that little pattern. So it'd be cuter if I had a little, I made it a little interesting than just a basic shell. There we go. And then I will add the other little lines to connect everything. And don't worry if your lines are not perfect. Mine are never perfect. I'm always cleaning up lines. And it can take time to build line confidence. So there we go. Alright, so I'm going to do his body on a different layer. I'll just clean that up so it kind of goes like it's going into that shell. And I'm going to create a new layer for the rest of his features. And I like doing the bottom first draft because it lets me get sort of my basic design and my kind of bad ideas out. So for instance, I made this little eye a little more round, but if I had done the drawing on the first pass, then I probably wouldn't have done that. So you gotta make this, there we go, I like that. Sometimes it takes time to figure out which line you want, or which, so you don't want that to be a hard line, so I'm gonna lower the line thickness. Actually, I'm gonna make it a little bit lower down like that. Okay, and then, so those layers are looking pretty decent together. So I'm going to go to the body and erase the little lines like that. I'm going to delete my background layer so you can actually see what I'm looking at here. And then I'm going to combine all of those layers together and we'll start adding some details. some details like that. Kind of like that. He's probably got some like, I feel like he'd have some like bumpy skin, maybe some like wrinkles. He's got little bitty little eyes up here, looking at you. So I'm making a circle, I'm holding it so that it makes a circle shape, and then when you touch the canvas, it will, oops, that didn't actually work. It will turn it into a perfectly round shape. So I'll show you a bigger version of that. So if you make kind of a crappy shape, if you hold it, it'll snap into shape, and then if you hold the canvas, it'll make it into a perfect circle. So then I'm gonna go here, add some little details to the shell. And while I'm here, I'm going to clean up this little line. And this one here too. There we go. And for the rest of my details, I'm going to create a new layer, which I probably should have done to begin with, but I didn't. Couple of little details so the shell looks like it's kind of rounded. Like that. I'm liking the way it's turning out. Maybe put some little wrinklies. That's looking really cute. I like them. I like them, I should say, because I think snails don't have, I don't think they have genders. I don't really know. I don't know anything about snails, really. That's looking pretty cute. I think we're done. So if you like this video and you'd like to like and subscribe, or if there's anything else that you'd like to see, please leave a comment in the video and we'll start working on that as well. So bye for now. See you in the next video.